In this video, I will show you how to download and install Outlook on PC or laptop. But before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. So, to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and check if you meet the minimum requirements to be able to download Outlook for your Windows device. First, your device should meet the minimum OS version, such as Windows 10 version 1809, and you should also have an internet connection. So you can download Microsoft Outlook executable file from the official website of Microsoft Outlook by clicking on this button. You can also install Microsoft Outlook directly from Microsoft Store that you have on your PC or laptop. So as you can see in here, you need to go ahead and just install it from there. And then once the installation starts and the app has been successfully installed in your device, you can go ahead and use Microsoft Outlook directly to your PC. And that's basically how you can download and install Outlook on PC or laptop. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers.